feeling overwhelmed by financial stress. Debts piling up, making it hard to get by. I've been there, but what if I told you there's a simple way to improve your financial situation almost overnight? All you need are 8 cloves, yes, 8 ordinary cloves from your kitchen spice rack. If used correctly, these cloves can attract powerful energy that makes money flow into your life. Sounds unbelievable, right? I was skeptical too until I tried this ancient practice myself. The results were astonishing. Suddenly, new opportunities and unexpected windfalls started coming my way. Let me explain this incredibly easy practice that can change your finances dramatically. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Many ancient cultures recognized the powerful properties of cloves, using them in rituals to attract wealth and success. By combining the energy of cloves with the symbolic power of the number 8, you tap into a profound source of wealth. You might be wondering, can something so simple really work? Modern society often dismisses ancient practices as superstitions, but that doesn't mean they lack power. The energy around us is real, even if we can't always see it. By aligning yourself with the positive vibrations of cloves and the number 8, you open yourself to receiving wealth and abundance. This practice isn't just mystical. It's based on the principles of manifestation and the law of attraction. Our thoughts and emotions emit vibrational frequencies that shape our reality. Positive thoughts attract positive outcomes, while negative thoughts attract negative outcomes. This isn't just wishful thinking. People from all walks of life have tried this simple clove ritual and experienced rapid, dramatic improvements in their finances. They've landed dream jobs, received unexpected sums of money, paid off stubborn debts, started successful businesses, and received bonuses, inheritances, and windfalls. By tuning into the flow of wealth that is your birthright, you open yourself to endless possibilities. Even small shifts in your energy can lead to significant changes in your life. Learning the foundational principles of the 8-clove ritual is crucial. Once you see its potential and understand how easy it is to practice, you'll strengthen your belief in the process. This will enhance your ability to attract abundant money and prosperity through focused intention and energy alignment. Let's begin the 8-clove ritual to attract wealth and abundance into your life. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Gather your materials. You'll need 8 whole cloves and a potted plant, such as an aloe vera or snake plant. Ensure you have a quiet, peaceful space where you won't be interrupted. 2. Set the scene. Find a comfortable spot where you can sit or stand with your potted plant and cloves. Take a moment to center yourself and clear your mind of any distractions. 3. Hold the cloves. Take the 8 cloves into your hands and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and envision your financial goals. Imagine yourself living comfortably, free from financial stress, and enjoying abundance in all areas of your life. 4. Plant the cloves. With each clove, gently press it into the soil of your potted plant. As you do so, repeat the affirmation, with the infinite power of 8, I attract wealth into my life. Feel the energy of the cloves infusing the plant with abundance and prosperity. 5. Position the plant. Once all 8 cloves are planted, place the potted plant near the entrance of your home or office. This strategic placement allows the energy of wealth to flow into your space, attracting opportunities and financial abundance. 6. Express gratitude. Take a moment to express gratitude for the abundance that is coming into your life. Thank the universe for the blessings and opportunities that are on their way to you. 7. Visualize your goals. Close your eyes and visualize your financial goals once more. See yourself achieving success, overcoming obstacles, and living the life of your dreams. Feel the excitement and joy as if it is already happening. 8. Seal your intentions. With a final deep breath, affirm your commitment to attracting wealth and abundance into your life. Know that the energy of the cloves and your intentions are working together to manifest your desires. Congratulations, you've completed the 8-clove ritual. Now, keep an open heart and mind as you continue to align yourself with the frequency of wealth. Trust in the process, stay positive, and watch as opportunities and abundance begin to flow into your life. The number 8 holds significant energetic meaning. In numerology and sacred geometry, 8 symbolizes the infinite cycle of giving and receiving. When you turn the number 8 on its side, it forms the lemniscate, representing eternity, balance, and cyclical renewal. Using 8 cloves connects you to the endless flow of universal abundance and prosperity. Visualization plays a crucial role. Picture your financial dreams vividly, as if they are already happening. This strengthens the energetic connection between your intentions and the frequency of wealth. Maintaining a positive mindset and focusing on gratitude and joy will amplify your results. Absolutely. Here are some additional tips to enhance your success in manifesting wealth and abundance. 1. Create a vision board. Craft a vision board filled with images, words, and symbols that represent your financial goals and aspiration. Place it somewhere visible where you can see it daily to reinforce your focus and motivation. 2. Practice gratitude daily. Keep a gratitude journal and write down things you are thankful for, including financial blessings and abundance in your life. Cultivating a mindset of gratitude raises your vibrational frequency and attracts more positive experiences. 3. Take inspired action. While the ritual is powerful, take practical steps towards your financial goals. This could include budgeting, investing in education or skills, seeking new opportunities, or starting a side hustle. Action accelerates manifestation. 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with supportive individuals who uplift and encourage your financial aspiration. Avoid negativity and surround yourself with people who share your vision for success. 5. Stay consistent and patient. Trust in the process and remain committed to your goals. Consistently practice the 8-clove ritual and other manifestation techniques, knowing that positive changes take time to manifest. Incorporating these additional tips into your daily routine will amplify the effects of the 8-clove ritual and accelerate your journey towards financial prosperity. Remember, persistence and positivity are key to achieving your dreams. The 8-clove ritual and supporting practices can help you align with the frequency of wealth. But it may take time for the effects to manifest. Trust the process, stay committed, and maintain a positive outlook. With time and persistence, you will begin to see the positive changes in your financial situation that you desire. As you continue to practice the 8-clove ritual and incorporate these additional strategies, pay attention to the changes in your financial situation. Look for signs of increased opportunities, unexpected financial gains, and improvements in your overall financial well-being. These shifts indicate that your energy is aligning with the vibration of abundance. By consistently working towards your goals and maintaining an optimistic attitude, the 8-clove ritual can transform your financial life. Trust in the process, stay committed, and embrace the journey towards financial prosperity. Thank you for joining me on this journey to manifest financial abundance. I appreciate your time and dedication to improving your financial well-being. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more tips and rituals to attract wealth and prosperity. Leave a comment below with the affirmation, "I am a money magnet. I am wealthy," to solidify your intention and connect with our community. Your support means the world to me, and together we can all achieve the financial success we deserve. Thank you and stay blessed.